Welcome to the Linn County Planning and Development's tutorial on how to apply for permits as a contractor using our online permitting system. We recommend using a desktop or laptop as the process will look different on a mobile device. Our system has separate accounts for homeowners and contractors. If you are a homeowner, please go to our tutorial on applying for permits as a homeowner. If you are applying for a permit and live inside the city limits of Cedar Rapids, Marion, Hiawatha, or Robbins, please stop the video and go to the appropriate city's website and apply for a permit through your city. Each of these cities has their own building department, and you must apply for a permit with the city. Begin by going to the Linn County website, linncountyiowa.gov. Hover on Departments and select Planning and Development. In the blue box on the left side, select Building Division. Choose Building Permits and Inspections on the left side. Under the Apply Online header, click on Contractors. You will be notified that you are leaving the Linn County website. Click on Proceed to Site. You will now be on BSA Online, our online permitting system. If you have not created an account, go back and watch the video titled Create a Contractor Account. Enter your username and password. Click Sign In. Under Services, click on Apply for Permit. If you do not see the Services box, click the blue arrow to expand your view. Search for your property by address using the house number and street. Do not include things like street, road, or circle. Click Search. Select the correct address and click on Next. In the I Need a Permit For, choose Construction. Select Commercial or Residential. The type of permit you are applying for depends on your construction project. For example, if you are applying to construct a new detached garage, pole building, or shed, you would click Accessory Structure New. If you are building a new house or doing construction to an existing dwelling, you need to scroll down to find the Res, short for residential, categories. Here you will find permits for building a new dwelling, adding an addition to your existing dwelling, and dwelling alterations. If you are remodeling a portion of the home or finishing a basement, you would choose the Res Alteration Permit type. Please note that roofing, siding, windows, and egress windows have their own permit type. However, if you are doing multiple projects at once, please choose the Res Alteration, as this is the more appropriate permit type. Next, type in your work description, which should include details of your project. If you are building a deck, a work description might read, constructing a 10 by 10 composite deck with stairs. Or if you are building a detached garage, construction of a 20 by 20 conventionally framed detached garage. Basic usage is residential or commercial. Fill in the square footage and construction value. Click Next. Verify the applicant information is correct and select the licensee. If you have the homeowner's email, please click Edit Emails and add New Record. Click Next. Permit staff will calculate permit fees after your application is received. You will just see the online application fee at this time. Click Next. You are now ready to attach the necessary documents needed to review your application. You can find the links to the needed documents on Step 5, Attach Documents. Please be sure your documents are saved as a PDF file. You can use the Select button to upload your documents, or you can drag and drop in the window. After you have attached your documents, click Next. You will need to read and agree to the disclaimers. And verify your name is in the Accepted By box. Now you are ready to submit your application. You will receive an automated email from the permit system saying your application has been received. Please watch your email for communications regarding payment and any further information or documentation that is needed. It is recommended to check your spam or junk email, as these automated emails can sometimes be marked incorrectly as spam. This completes the process of applying for a building permit with Linn County. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact our office at 319-892-5130.